Hello everybody, this is Dinsel again from Tranformers.com.my forum. Today I would like to do a video review on Revenge of the Fallen ice cream truck, Skids and Mudflap. So here is the R mode, an old ice cream truck, a good mold, okay, but it's not totally movie accurate if you compare to the movie version, because it have less decals. Okay, but a very cute car indeed, quite small, while it's a Voyager class. Okay, can roll well. Okay, it's very good, no features at all in its all mode. Okay, in details quite okay, but the paint job I can say kinda poor paint job, but somehow okay, never mind, it says go anyway. So now let me show you how to transform the ice cream truck into Skids and Mudflap. Okay, first of all you have to separate these two. Okay, separate them apart, very tight. Okay, separate them. Okay, so you have it, these two. This will be Skids and this is Mudflap. You can see Mudflap face. Okay, when you open him. Okay, so I start off with Skids. Okay, to transform him, very simple. First you separate this panel here. Okay, rotate it. Okay, oops. Sorry, it's come up. Okay, just like that. Put this panels here all the way down. Okay, now you can see his hand. Then what you have to do is take out his leg down here. See, fold it up just like that. Straight up his leg. Straight his leg. Okay. So over here you fold this panel inwards like that, and you fold it up like that. Okay, so this you can see Skids head already come out. Okay, now then you pull down the bumper a bit just like that. Okay, then you separate this shoulder, okay, and pull it up, shoulder up, that. Okay, can rotate his waist. Okay, then do next part is push his chest a bit. Okay, push his chest. Okay, well, whether you can leave it like that or you can fold it all the way. I like to fold it all the way. Okay, so there you have it, Skids in his robot mode. There you go. Next is Mudflap. Okay, first of all what you have to do is to separate this panel here, pull it up, separate them, these two, pull it up. Okay, then this side panel here, separate, untab it, pull it all the way up like that. Okay, then you separate the panels down here, separate it. Okay, separate. Okay, you have it like this. Okay, and what you need is to separate these two panels here, bring it on side Okay, bring it on the side. Okay, lift his hand up. Hand up first. And you can take, you must fold his lower torso here, fold all and until you tap on his body there. Okay, put on his leg, put on his feet, his leg, just on his feet. Okay, on the side panel here, you move it all the way to the front. You fold it up like that, and you tap inside there. There's a hole here. See, there's a hole. Just tap it. Okay, same goes with this one. Rotate. Tap it. Okay. Put down his hand back. Pull this one to his shoulder to become his shoulder pad. Some sort of shoulder pad. Straight up his leg, his head, I mean. Okay. So at the back, you put all the way up. Okay, rotate. Can fold it like that, bring it up, fold it, become like that. You can put this one, go all the way back. Now, so there you have it. Mudflap in this robot mode. You can either lift this like this, like that. It's up to you. Have to leave it down like that. Okay. So there you have it. Mudflap, Skids and Mudflap ice cream truck. They are twins. You can see. Well, not much in his robot mode. It's a very small figure. These two are very small, where you can compare it on long hole, a big ring. Okay, you can see. They are quite small. Okay. So articulation, just a basic articulation. His leg. This one have a waist articulation. His head can be turned. His shoulder cannot. You can move on the elbow here. Same goes with this one. No waist articulation, but his feet, his knee, his shoulder got articulation, his elbow, so his head. Okay, so it's a good figure. These two quite cute. Okay, so I can recommend them for you, but below the paint job is not that great, but he's good. Okay, so that's all my review today. Hopefully you enjoy it. So see you next time. Bye bye.